my hands. Got an old song on the radio. I know where I have to be. I might call up some old friends, hear a story, share a laugh. Sometimes the smallest moments turn out to be the best we have. I don't need $1 million. I don't need the perfect plan. Just give me the people that I love and a little time with them. Give me one more good day with the people that I love. A little music, a little laughter, and the blue sky up above. Let the good times roll easy, let the worries wait their turn. Give me one more good day, that's all I need in this world. Maybe we'll fire up the barbecue, pull another chair outside, tell the same old jokes we've told before, and laugh like it's the first time. Maybe take a drive with no direction, let the afternoon decide. Watch the sun fall on the water and enjoy this crazy ride. 'Cause the best things don't need planning, and they don't have to cost a thing. Sometimes happiness is hiding in the ordinary things. Give me one more good day with the people that I love. A little music, a little laughter, and the blue sky up above. Let the good times roll easy, let the worries wait their turn. Give me one more good day, that's all I need in this world. Here's to the ones sitting beside us. Here's to the ones we haven't seen. Here's to another simple moment becoming another memory. No need to rush tomorrow. Tonight can take its time. If this is just an ordinary day, then ordinary feels just fine. Give me one more good day with the people that I love. Turn the music up a little, we still got daylight left above. Let the good times roll easy, let tomorrow wait its turn. Give me one more good day, and I'll take another one tomorrow. One more laugh, one more song, one more sunset before it's gone. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just one